Hello guys, welcome to BFA Tech Solution. This is Samsung A02 charging port replacement tutorial. And this video to show you how to replace the Samsung A02 charging ports with an ease. So just follow the step closely as you can see in the video. If you are new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And thanks to our returning subscriber, thank you for always being there with us. Please like, share this video and drop your comments. As you can see in the video right now, we are hitting the old charging port just to remove it. So you need your picker as well to assist you in removing the charging port. So just stay tuned and see how it goes easily. As you can see now, the charging port is weak, so it cannot be removed. So at this point, just use your soldering iron to dress it very well for the new charging ports that you'll be facing. So make sure everything is well clean, there's no bridging at all. So make sure it's well maintained. Yes, to have a good result. It's ready now. At this point, we want to put the new charging port. This is the exact charging port for this Samsung A02 downboard. So make sure you're using the exact charging port. The reason is that it will make it easy for you. Yes, so make sure you're using the exact one. So make sure you use it, fix it very well. Then use your heater to do the sitting, perfect sitting. Yes, no need of soldering iron to solder the four legs. Just use your heater to heat it, then you will see it perfectly. Yes, so just as you are seeing the video right now. See it now. See it. Hope you are following, guys. You see it. It has sit. Immediately you sit, the 5 foot will just touch the pin on the downboard. Wow, and that's just it. So just follow this step closely. If you have not hit on the subscribe button, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. Click on, give us a thumbs up, share this video, drop your comments on whatever video you want us to upload, and drop your comment on this very particular video too. It helps YouTube to recommend our video. So it's not time for us to solder the just to make sure the lead are well coated. You coat them very well with the lead, as you can see in this video. Yeah. So before soldering the leg, you just have to put paste on the 5 foot. The reason of putting that paste is to avoid bridging. So the paste helps to maintain the tracks of each of the 5 foot that you are about to solder, as you can see the video right now. So there must be a paste on that spot, and do a neat soldering. Just take your time, whether you are using a fast soldering iron or a tiny soldering iron. Just take your time, apply paste, then start rubbing each of the legs, and you will have a good result. Wait for the end result of this video.